if you have the intent, universe conspires to make it happen. I strongly believe that.
Wow.
It has happened to me many times.
Yes.
2005, I did my first trek. There's a trek called Pindari Glacier in Kumaon in Uttarakhand. I went for that.
काठमांडू से बेस कैंप कितने किलोमीटर है?
It's an amazing feeling. As somebody who loves mountains, who loves trekking, it was amazing for me. And
तो हेमंत, did you prepare before your Mount Everest expedition? कितने कैसे prepare किया? And how was that expedition like? थोड़ा share करो. Let us live vicariously through you. कि हम भी पार चलने आपके तरफ.
okay, so I think I'll go a bit back in time on how it started. And I strongly believe that to climb Everest, for everyone, it doesn't start कि अच्छा एक साल पहले decide किया जाते हैं. There's a story behind it, and it's about you have to like things to do those things, right? When I was much younger, right, childhood, we used to go to family vacations. So my mother grew up in North Bengal, right, tea gardens that near Sikkim, Darjeeling, this thing. So we used to go through that part of, and Delhi was closer to hills. So there's a lot of exposure to mountains. So I started trekking for the first time in 2005. So I did day hikes. I mean, I won't call them as treks. So in 2005, I did my first trek. There's a trek called Pindari Glacier in Kumaon in Uttarakhand. I went for that. And after that, I just loved it. Of course, made a lot of mistakes, carried a heavy backpack, all those things, right? Carried books, thought I'll read along the trek. Of course, वो नहीं होता है. Sneakers पहन के, you're trekking, and whatever, jeans लेके गए थे. All those things, like the wrong things you do. Then it's continued. I went to other trek. Every other year, I started doing that. And I started loving the process. And while you're doing trekking, you need to be fit for that. So the sports person in me came back. Again, it made me happy, right? So I started running. I started running marathons and be fitter. So it all came together. I was generally, of course, it releases endorphins, of course. So it makes you happy chemically. But all that came together and I continued doing that. And in 2011, I went to Everest Base Camp for the first time. This is like 13 years ago. And that time, इतनी भीड़ नहीं होती थी जितनी आजकल होती है. But I went, and that time itself, Everest Base Camp was like an Everest to me because it's tough, 11 days trekking, all those. You don't know, right? That altitude you had never been. And so we went.
Can you tell us the altitude of the base camp? Can you tell us the altitude?
Yes. So base camp is at 5,364 meters. That's around 17,500 feet. And yeah. And it's cold. The weather could change anytime, and it's not an easy trek, right? So I went there, and I remember it was first week of April, and this is the time when the climbers start from Kathmandu walking towards the base camp. So I met.
And how long is that trek? Kathmandu से base camp कितने किलोमीटर है?
So it's around 100 kilometers or so. But it's mainly, so in treks, when people, it's basically we look at mainly elevation, right? Because end of the day, it might be 1 kilometer only, but it's like this.
Sure.
So, right. So in the first week of April, when the climbers start climbing, like going towards the base camp, so I met a lot of such climbers who are going eventually to climb. And it was an amazing, fanboy moment for me. To meet those guys, talk to them across the world. You meet a lot of Sherpas who have done it 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. It's amazing, right? You'll take pictures with them, sir, aapke saath le lein, all that. It's an amazing feeling. As somebody who loves mountains, who loves trekking, it was amazing for me. And so eventually, base camp, photo khicha, all those things happened. And then we started coming back.
Hemant, you're saying this temperature is in summertime. क्योंकि समर में ही लोग चढ़ते हैं एवरेस्ट, विंटर में जनवरी में, राइट?
और आप देखो, आप जहाँ पे नेगेटिव टेम्परेचर है, आप वहां से जब आप क्लाइंब अप करके यू आर गेटिंग टू अ वैली व्हिच इज 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस, व्हिच इज लाइक दिल्ली कलकत्ता.
as high as 30 भी होता है, 35 भी होता है. But yeah,
Sure.
yeah, I remember when I went next again to the same route for the summit push, I was dehydrated crossing that section. And not me. I mean, 5 step liya, then you like sit. It's like that.
But dehydration reason क्या था? कम पानी था या perspiration था? क्या था reason?
Multiple reasons. One is heat. Second is because of altitude, you're dehydrating, right? And of course, पानी भी कम था. I mean, I had 3 liters. 3 liters के बावजूद भी it's less. See, जब तुम high altitude पे हो, right? And you're doing nothing. Let's say you're sleeping, which is zero activity.
हाँ.
Even then, your body is burning calories like crazy. Base camp में 50% oxygen levels है compared to sea level. So basically, your lungs are working overtime, which means you're burning more calories.
Get oxygen.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And so, which means that you need water to, supplement that, right? Whatever you're losing, water, food and all that. If you don't, like, वहाँ पे प्यास नहीं लगती है ठंड में ये सब. But if you don't have water, then you'll get dehydrated, right? And it's nothing to do with temperature, right? So one of the major things is altitude. और ऊपर से you add one more factor of heat, then double whammy, right? तो zone में ऐसा था, right? That Western Coast.
किसी ने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि आप माउंट एवरेस्ट चढ़ने जा रहे हो एंड योर बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम और अ गुड प्रॉब्लम, बिग प्रॉब्लम विल बी हीट. मतलब मेरे सोचा था कि यार ठंड विल बी अ प्रॉब्लम, हीट विल नॉट बी अ प्रॉब्लम.
Right. So basically, Camp 1 had then you reach Camp 2. Camp 2 से then Camp 3 है. Camp 3 is at 7,200 meters. And Camp 3 से नीचे there's what do they call a Jumar point. Basically, you're on the ropes all the time, but वहाँ पे you can't leave the ropes because the gradient just goes to 60 degrees plus, right? It's very steep all the way till the summit. Then you reach Camp 3, and when you're summiting, that's where the oxygen also starts. With Camp 3, say you reach Camp 4, and Camp 4, so then you summit. So after acclimatization is over, it takes around 6 to 8 days to do from base camp to go up to the summit and come down. So that's how. And the thing is that you can only do on certain days the summit. See, Mount Everest, जो altitude है, is at the same level as jet stream, where the aircrafts fly.
Okay, 29,000 feet. Yes. Yeah, it's almost there or in the middle of it, right? Now, what is jet stream? Jet stream is high speed winds, right? Got it.
High speed winds.
So at 29,000 feet, because there's so high speed wind, you need to make sure there's calmness before you can take the climb.
Exactly. And the speeds go like 100, 200, 300, 400 kilometers per hour, right?
Wow. So if you make a mistake, if you climb and there's a jet stream, you're not coming back.
Right. So you need to go only on those days. And that somebody said that on Everest in May, Jetstream takes a vacation. So actually, the wind speeds in May, historically also, it comes down to manageable levels, like 20, 30, 40, वो भी high है, but kilometers per hour. So at least you will not get blown away, right? And with wind comes cold, right? If it's more windy, it's more cold, right? Wind chill, all that happens. So you depend on weather reports, and there's a weather station at 8,500 meters. They put a structure, actually.
Okay. So that's after Camp 4. It's between Camp 4 and the summit. There's a weather
Exactly.
station.
Midway. Yeah.
Yes.
So that's
midway.
where the Met department in Nepal get their data from, and they forecast based on that. Right? They don't forecast well in advance. They 2-3 दिन पहले पता चलता है because mountains में change होते रहता है. So they tell
and your
you
radios are working and you're hearing this on the radios.
Yes. But at the base camp itself, we know it. That's then when it started. So this time, there were 3 weather windows. 12th, 13th May, 19th to 23rd May, which was a longer one, and 27th, 28th May. Right? So you have to start as per the weather windows. So I went during 19th to 23rd wala May, and again, you have to go through Kumbh Fall, you go to Camp 1, Camp 2, Camp 3, Camp 4, and go up. So basically that's how the process is generally. Typically 6 days में लोग complete कर लेते हैं, usually 5 days में कुछ लोग करते हैं one. Lately it's taking more time. Like I took 8 days to do that. One, because we spent extra day in Camp 2 to recover from dehydration. Okay. When we started from Camp 2 onwards, actually from base camp onwards, there was a lot of traffic we encountered along the way, right?
Right. So जा रहे हैं, कुछ लोग ऊपर जा रहे हैं, that kind of a thing.
Exactly.
And
Exactly.
so
एक rope है.
road बनी है या climbing वाला path बना है. Even sometimes traffic means कि 3 extra लोग आ गए, that means traffic, right?
Yes. But usually there is a huge traffic here. You know, तुम्हारे एक rope है, एक rope पे तो ऊपर जा रहे हैं. उसी rope से लोग नीचे.
So the base camp looks something like this, Hemant? ऐसा लग रहा था जब आप गए थे?
I think they all come together, Hemant.
I would like to add one thing which I strongly believe in, because it has happened to me again. Just want to add this. Similar to what you're saying, Megs, is that, you know, if you have the intent, universe conspires to make it happen. Now, I strongly believe that.
Wow.
It has happened to me many times.
Yes.